Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Well, we're going to take up the Avanti 2 80mm by FREEWING. I'm going to fly my mid-rates, which I like that best for this plane, which are 80% with 30% throws all the way around. 100% on the elevator, 30% throws, everything else, ailerons and elevator are 80 with 30. Right, left, up, down, right, left. All right, I do not have the afterburner plugged in because I'm running a Gen 2 50C 6S 5000 smart battery, and it doesn't have a balance lead, so I can't plug the afterburner in. So, yeah, oh yeah, it's got brakes too. All right, I'm gonna get turned around here. Let me go ahead and go to my high rates so I can get for taxiing. Okay, I'm gonna get turned over, get around here behind camera baby, not get in the ant pile that's behind us. Back. All right. This is just going to be a fly around kind of flight.
High rates.
You get turned around here into the wind, so I shouldn't need takeoff flaps or anything. So timer set for 4 minutes 10 seconds. 5000 smart Gen 2 6S, and here we go.
Remaining 4 minutes.
Yeah, that's mid rates too. Wow. I'm gonna try low rates. Even low rates. We'll go back to mid rates though.
Mid rates. Gear down.
Not doing anything too crazy. I just haven't flown this plane in a little while, so.
Landing flaps.
Got my landing flaps in.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Braking.
All right.
Off. Flaps up.
All right. Now I got a little feel for her. Let's really do some fun. Let's have some fun now. Do takeoff flaps just because.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up. Gear up.
Take her up, flip her. Full speed, into the wind though. Gonna peel away. Back this way again. All right, now we're gonna come back towards us. Full speed pass.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
All right. Kinda high. Come back at us, make sure all my stuff's down. That's an amazing flying jet. Amazing flying jet. Okay. Now I've got no gyro, no stabilization of anything other than comes naturally on the airframe.
Braking.
Man, what an amazing flying jet. Amazing jet. All right, minute and a half take it back up. Let's see if we can't do a fast, low flyby. All right, gonna take off again. No takeoff flaps this time.
Gear up.
All right, I'm gonna prepare for that fast, low pass. Of course, it's in the wind though, so.
Time remaining 1 minute.
All right. That's about as low as I
Gear down.
feel comfortable going.
Landing flaps.
You can call me wimpy, but this plane is $399. My cost, $399. 70 to 80% of my planes I'm flying through my wallet, folks. Just because I'm a reviewer doesn't mean that.
Braking.
Well,
Flaps up.
all right, we gotta redeem ourselves on that one.
20 seconds.
We got time. Turn around here. Quick up and down, not even going to take the flaps up or the gear up.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Landing flaps. 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired. Braking. Brake.
Love this jet. Fabulous flying jet.
High rate. Flaps up. Brakes. Brakes off.
Just had to.
Motor off.
All right, 18 seconds left on a 4-minute and 10-second timer. Okay. See what kind of juice is in the tank, just so you know. I can't tell you. I don't have the smart checker with me or the adapter to check that battery. Dang it. Well, I don't know. But to show you the placement of the battery, you've got your gray control board there. You got that? Yeah. And it's about 3 finger lengths in is where I've got this 5000. And if you're ever confused, and it's almost the very end of the wood tray back there, running a 7-channel Luminarc plain Jane receiver with a satellite right there. Okay, just because I don't want to run the risk of any signal loss. I did have an issue up there by that corner several weeks ago, and I don't know, I didn't lose a plane or anything, obviously, but I figured I'd spend the 22 bucks and buy the satellite just to make sure. Now, I have flown the plane many times since then with 0 problems. Great flying plane. Remember, the retracts do take a little bit of time to go up and down. Not a whole lot of time, but they close nice and clean. And these doors are held in magnetically, so you don't have to worry about them blowing open during while you're flying. The flaps are split flaps, which is how flaps should be, in my opinion. And just a great flying sport jet. As far as your first EDF goes, this could be your first 80mm fast jet. Not your first 80mm jet, but your first 80mm sport jet. Maybe after you've got this where you can make it dance on a dime, then maybe go to an 80mm scale plane like the T-33 or I don't know, one of the other 80, the L-39 or something. But this is a great first 80mm jet. Not your first jet, but your first 80mm. Great flying plane, great performance. I've had her up when I do a speed run with a SMC pack. I had her up to 128 miles an hour, I think is my fastest. So great plane. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry I can't tell you what's in the battery because I don't have that checker with me. So y'all have a good one. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then Avanti S's version 2. Bye-bye.